storage on this thing. Stop driving my car.
My car.
Hey, come on, cut the AC on. I'm so hot. I'm sweating.
What's going on with you lately, man? Your temperature ain't right.
I'm hot. My period coming on. You think it's a game?
Is your video recording or something?
Yeah.
Like, they can really see us?
They can't see us right now, but they can hear us.
But you can fix it so they can see us?
Yeah.
I'm digging my nose and shit.
They can't see. They can't see you digging your nose. Even so, I only put it on here to, you know, I ain't really trying to catch you.
That's the kind of like. That's the kind of like.
Wow.
Life.
Can you go a little slower over there?
I went 0 miles per hour. That's the kind.
No, you didn't, because you got over it.
I need YouTube that shit, because the bait like did a loud just then.
What?
What I just said.
Watch it. Why your turns gotta be so wide?
Try to get them though.
Huh? Ain't making no sense. Damn, I need some lotion.
Let's just sit back and enjoy this hill.
So what you doing this weekend? What you got planned?
That I don't know, but
I'm gonna fuck you up because you want to go get a haircut when I fucking leave. But I've been home all week.
Babe, I'm off for the weekend.
I don't give a damn why you ain't get a haircut when I was here. Watch it. It's a hole right here. They patched it up?
Yeah, they patched it up.
Like, they patched it up.
As soon as, shit, you get your motherfucking hair done, you finna go to motherfucking Washington. Come back now.
I had to, Robert, because it was cold up there. No, it was cold up there, and my hair was wet.
I got to, because I'm finna hang out, and I don't want to.
Where you going?
I don't know. I'm going somewhere.
I'm gonna fuck you up. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm my damn self.
Huh?
I just want to drink and listen to music and vibe.
You'll go. So I bet the fuck you will not.
I bet the fuck you would not. That's a black woman. What the fuck you mean? I can't go to myself.
No, you cannot. And slow down. It's a speed bump right here.
Fucked up, man. God damn. So
no, you got me fucked up.
So what? I can't go out and eat by myself either, huh?
Yeah, you can. You go out and eat by yourself.
But I can't go to a club by myself?
No, you cannot. Because that's asking for people to fucking talk. And you are not talkative. So you shouldn't be inviting nobody to talk to you.
How you know I ain't talkative?
Robert.
I'm just saying, then KK tell you I'm the life of the party?
Watch your mouth.
I'm just saying.
Watch your mouth. Why everybody riding with their damn parking lights on?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
I don't know what you talking about.
Man, what can I say? I just need y'all to score another one. And then look at dude. Look at dude.
Aren't you turning right? How come you're not trying to?
I know.
Oh, you're trying to go straight?
I really want that. But I can't turn right though.
Yeah, but you could turn left up here.
Yeah, I know that. I do that. At the light, right?
You can turn left in the neighborhood. But if you want to turn left at the light, that's fine too.
I don't know where the cutoff at.
Didn't you already do this last time?
I don't remember.
That's why you need to learn where you stay at. Excuse me.
What's up, man?
Don't start. Where your girlfriend?
She drive a car, you know.
You don't bring her nowhere? Yes, you do. So don't start. I be needing company.
Call her. I ain't got nothing to do with that. Y'all got
Okay, I know.
She in the group chat.
Oh, she is? Which number is her? What number? You don't know her number?
No, we live in the world of cell phones, dude.
That's crazy. Man, you lying. For real, you don't know that girl now?
Swear to God, I don't know her number.
That's because she just changed it.
Yeah, nah. She a 305 number I get there.
You ain't
What the hell, my
305. She said she was coming. Oh, it's 2 305 numbers in here.
You see?
You don't even know which one her. That's crazy. What happened if you like need to know her number?
I understand, because
that's dangerous, Tim. You know your mama number?
No.
Man, that's not good,
I used
man.
to.
You gotta know
no, but I
somebody's
used
number.
to though. But real talk, I used to when you had to know numbers. I don't need to know nobody's number.
Yes, you do. Sometimes your phone go dead.
Ain't no
you might be.
562, 52, 17. I don't play phone. I don't play dead phones. That ain't cool.
Oh, 562 is fine. Okay, let me see.
I dropped 37 in this gym. God damn it.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day. I don't know why I didn't finish recording, but ooh, my eye big. I probably got a dog hair in there somewhere. But today I already made a couple of calls that I was supposed to make. Well, one of them yesterday. So that's good. I started off real good. Just made me some coffee. And I'm about to edit a video because I work tonight. I work a trip tonight, so I won't have time to edit the video on the trip. Although I could. I mean, I could just do it on my laptop, but it's best to just get it done now because I be doing other stuff on them trips. I be trying to hang out or work out or whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna just do it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and close cut the camera off for a quick second so that I could get the footage off of the camera, and then I'll be back a little bit later. See y'all later. Okay, y'all, so it's a little bit later on in the day. Still not time for me to go to work, but I ended up going to my mom's house, and then look at this dry patch, and I forgot to bring my camera. So we just chilled over there, had a little doggy play date. My doggy, my mom's doggy. We just had a little play date. Look at this, that's on my camera. Did I get it off? Yeah, I got it off. So I just cooked real quick. Let me see if my camera heat up. I got some potatoes in there. Can y'all see them potatoes? And I got some chicken underneath that, and I'm gonna be making green beans. And this is my little to-go. That's just my little to-go. After I'm done cooking, I'm gonna set that up. So yeah. So now I'm just about to sit down and watch some TV, but I'm going in the room because I kind of want to lay down. And I'm gonna check on my food in a little bit, and then just continue my day. It's been an easy day. I was supposed to bring my camera over to my mom's house, but y'all seeing these big ass titties, but I just forgot them. I just forgot it. So plus I was trying to do a that reminds me, I might try to bring my laptop and then finish packing my food for my trip. I gotta curl my hair and stuff, so I gotta get ready a little bit early this time. Okay. Nah, an hour should do it. An hour should definitely do it. But and put this stuff here. Let's turn on. Oh, if y'all watch Shameless, I've been catching up with that. That shit is a mess, that damn Shameless, but for some reason I like it. But I got a lot of little Netflix shows that I like, but they're not on right now. Like I forgot the name, but it's Franklin. I forgot his name. I mean, I forgot the name of the show, but the character is Franklin, and I love that show. Me and my boyfriend had got into that show because that was good. And then, come here, Kelly. You gonna stay out there? Let's see if she stay out there. Kelly, you gonna stay out there?
You're the one who did the stabbing, and we're just trying to figure out.
Kelly.
Yeah, and we're just trying.
Yeah, here she go, y'all. You see how you try to embarrass me? This is why I don't trust you. And you looking scruffy. But whatever. So I forgot my skirt had a hole in it, and I want to wear my skirt for this trip. So I need to, yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Oh, my back hurt. God damn. All right, y'all, it's time to get ready. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to make my lunch or whatever the hell, dinner. Good. This right here is just beans and potatoes and some chicken. So I'm just gonna make 2 servings so that I can eat it twice. So that's what I'm about to do. Hey y'all, so it's actually like the next day, and I went to work and I'm at the hotel, and I'm about to go to the gym for a little bit. I still got lipstick on my lips. I'm about to go to the gym for a little bit. Let me show y'all how big and stupidly this room is real fast. Okay, this is the gym when you first walk in, right? This when you first walk in. So you walk in and you go into some little, I don't know, waiting room. Then the bathroom is in here. It's huge for no reason. Then the room is in here. Weird ass room. I don't like it. It's just like blotchy. I don't know. I don't like it. But I'm about to go to the gym and then warm up my food. And then off to work I go again. I hope I'm able to get back in my room. Hello. Can you
I'm working.
no. Does it normally not work?
I don't know, we'll check.
Oh, so it might be my key.
Do you want to go there?
Go in here?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe, I don't know. You can go, but...
Fuck. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Goes in a circle, so yeah,
It goes all the way around?
cardio is right here, and all the weights and things you go
In the back?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You can let me know.
Okay. That's nice for you. Oh, that's the bridge I was telling y'all about. Can't really see it over this building, but let me get this workout going. Let's do weight loss. I gotta get this damn lipstick off my damn. There you go. Damn. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in a bit. Whew. So, y'all, that was a good workout. That was a nice gym, too. By the way, that was a really nice gym. Because you was able to look out, you know, this dry spot just killing me. You was able to look out while you was working out. My arms are tired. My legs are tired. So that was a good workout. So I'm about to eat my food. And then I'm about to get ready for work. So I guess I'll see y'all a little bit later. If I have time to pull out the camera, I will. Maybe I should charge it so that if I want to put it out later, I can. So that's what I'll do. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let me go ahead and get ready for it because I got to be down at 4:30. Okay, so we're delayed. And I'm annoyed. We're delayed and I'm annoyed. As always. leave your jacket in the middle of the road like that. Like, why? You waiting on me to say something. You just remain calm. These people be getting on your ass though. Like, real bad. They be getting on my nerve. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. And I'm getting ready to go to work right now. I ain't even have time to put on damn makeup. I just popped my lashes on. I at least need to put some some lotion on my face. But as of right now, I need to be downstairs in 15 minutes, so I gotta go. But our flight was delayed like 3-4 hours this morning. We were supposed to be out of here by like 10:30, and now it's like 12. No, we're supposed to be out of here by 10, and now it's 12. So our flight was delayed by like 2.5 hours. So we're gonna get out of here. Our flight is now at like 1:15, 1:30, something like that. So we're gonna get out of here so that we can finish our day. We get done a little bit early today. Last couple of days we was getting done late as hell, but this time we get done a little bit early. I think we in, where we going? Louisville again. We're going to Louisville, and we get done at like 5 or 6 o'clock, something like that. So I might go ahead and kick out this vlog. So I'm gonna close it out now because I might go ahead and edit it once I get to Louisville today. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share this video. Up to you, but I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys. All right, see you on the next one. Bye.